Hey everyone, I am Meenal. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to another video. First of all, a very happy Diwali to all of you in advance. I hope आप सबकी दिवाली बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी जाए. So आज का video is all about this makeup look which I have created. I wanted to create a look which was budget friendly. Now ये makeup look को share करने का मेरा फंडा बहुत ज़्यादा simple था. This makeup look is very universal. Universal when I say is first of all it goes with every color. आप green पहन लीजिए, आप red पहन लीजिए, आप black पहन लीजिए, आप white पहन लीजिए, cream पहन लीजिए, golden पहन लीजिए. It will complement each and every color. Plus it goes on very well on Indian skin tone. So that was my main motive of creating this look. It is very simple to achieve, very quickly done, looks amazing on Indian or Western outfit. I am very sure that you're gonna love this look. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So because this is an affordable kind of a video, as a primer I'm going to use sunscreen which is by Neutrogena, one of the best sunscreens that I feel there is. FYI about sunscreen, if you guys don't know, कि बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि सनस्क्रीन उनको तभी लगाना चाहिए जब वो घर के बाहर स्टेप आउट कर रहे हैं, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यू आर सपोज टू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन. आप घर के बाहर जाइए ना जाइए, सुबह शाम बोथ द टाइम्स यू हैव टू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन इवन इफ यू डोंट स्टेप आउट ऑफ द हाउस. सो बेसिकली प्राइमर का काम ये होता है कि उसको एज अ बैरियर कायम करना होता है आपकी स्किन के बीच में और फाउंडेशन के बीच में. तो अगर आप प्राइमर नहीं भी यूज़ करते हैं, फॉर सम रीज़न यू डोंट हैव अ प्राइमर, यू डोंट वांट टू गो फॉर अ प्राइमर, यू कैन यूज़ अ सनस्क्रीन, अ रियली गुड थिक हैवी मॉइस्चराइज़र. बट मेक श्योर कि आप जो भी यूज़ कर रहे हो आपकी स्किन को ज़्यादा ऑयली ना करता हो एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. The next thing is this concealer by Inside. Now Inside is one brand which is like super affordable and equally good as well. अभी ये वाले मेकअप के लिए because like ये काफ़ी फेस्टिव हैवी काइंड ऑफ अ मेकअप है ना, तो मैं आईज पहले कर लूँगी ताकि अगर कुछ फॉल आउट होता भी है then it won't be a problem for me. Using a beauty blender which is soaked in water. सारा एक्सेस वाटर निकाल लिया है यूज़ करने के पहले एंड जस्ट डैब. फॉर आई शैडो आई एम यूजिंग माई मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन विच इज़ माई ओल्ड टाइम फेवरेट. मेरे पास इतने पैलेट हैं बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मैं सिर्फ यही वाला पैलेट यूज़ करती हूँ. आई एम गोना स्टार्ट ऑफ विथ ब्राइट गोल्डन कलर. गोल्डन कलर हर पैलेट में होता है. आपके पास कोई भी आई शैडो का पैलेट है उसमें गोल्डन कलर तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा. Gonna do the same for this eye as well. Now once you have applied golden eyeshadow to both your lids, now usually smoky eyes में लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे ब्लैक कर देते हैं, बट अभी वो बहुत कॉमन हो गया. यूजुअली अगर आप सेलिब्रिटी स्टार्स को देखें तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग ब्लैक स्मोकी आई दे आर गोइंग अ ब्राउन स्मोकी आई विच आई पर्सनली फील लुक्स रियली क्लासी. So let's do the brown one. I'm going to take a brown shade, create a V on the outer corner. You can see, as you can see, gold के साथ brown बहुत ज़्यादा complimenting लगता है rather than black. Black is also really nice, but वो western outfits में और better लगता है rather than Indian में. Once you're happy and satisfied with how dark you want your outer corner to be, you're gonna go back, dip it in gold and just blend everything out very nice and even. Very light hands. Now we're gonna do foundation. Now for this look I'm using this Blue Heaven high coverage foundation. It also has SPF 50. It is waterproof. It is a really good foundation and it's like very affordable. I'm so thankful that I found this one. I am very happy. Since the time I bought it, I've been using it. It also comes with a pump, so it is very easy to apply. Dab it as much as you want depending on what kind of coverage you're looking for. Help of a blender, we're gonna blend everything out. Tap. Once you've blended everything out, will look like this. I am very 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 happy with this foundation. I highly recommend if you're looking for a budget foundation. Trust me, this is it. Next, I also have Compact by Blue Heaven, and it also comes with like SPF 25 and it has matte finish. So I'm just gonna like set everything up very nicely. Then we're going back to the eyeshadow and we're gonna take the same brown which we have used and we're gonna do the lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline Colossal. We are not gonna do a winged eyeliner for this look. We're also gonna do the bottom. Next, we're gonna put kajal to the waterline. For this, I'm using this kajal by L18. L18 kajals are also very very nice. Also, quick tip: make sure that you're applying the kajal on the upper waterline as well to make it last for a longer time. Coming to eyelashes, we're gonna curl our eyelashes first. तुरंत uplift कर देता है eyelashes को, hence eyelash color is very very important. For mascara, I'm going to use a combination of these two. Both are Lash Princess by Essence. One is False Lash Effect and the other one is Volume. We're gonna start with Volume and then we're gonna do the false one. Usually आप false eyelashes भी लगा सकते हैं somehow. For an event where I have to be attentive or I have to be working, I do not prefer putting a false eyelashes. एसेंस का जो लैश प्रिंस वाले मस्कारा हैं, दे आर द बेस्ट मस्काराज. आप कितने भी महंगे मस्कारा खरीद लो, कितने भी ब्रांड के खरीद लो, यू कांट बीट दिस वन. फॉर ब्लश आई एम गोना यूज दिस मल्टी पॉट बाय लव अर्थ. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, जब से मुझे ये मिला है ना, आई हैव बीन ऑब्सेस्ड विद इट. इट्स सो नाइस. I'm gonna put some here as well to make it look all even, and some on the chin so it gives like a proper effect. We're gonna like blend it. You can use a brush. I like to use my fingers. I feel I have more control like that. Now at this point you can use bronzer or you can contour your face with the contouring palette if you have it, but because this is like an affordable kind of a video, I'm gonna show you a hack. I have this lipstick by L18 which is like kind of a brown color. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of it on my finger and we're gonna just use it as a contour. Now because it's a lipstick, I do not suggest to put it on your nose because you never know what's gonna happen with the lipstick. So just blend it. See, it works perfectly fine. As I said in the starting of the video, good makeup doesn't always have to be expensive. You can work with whatever you have, and what matters most is what works for you and for your skin. Now we're like almost done with this look. For some highlighter, I'm going to use this palette by Swiss Beauty. I'm gonna just mix everything up. Apply it on all the high points of your face. For lipstick, I'm gonna mix 2 lip tints. This is from a brand called Juice. Recently came across it through Big Basket. I'm very very obsessed. The shade is M70 and M91. Problem होगी कि ये वाला थोड़ा light आ गया था shade and the other one got darker. So I'm gonna mix these two. This is M91. It is like a very peachy shade, not at all for me. And the other one is what I usually wear. It is a very nude color with a hint of pink to it. That concludes our makeup. We just have to set it up. For setting also, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven long lasting makeup fixer. That is the finished makeup look. Now let's get changed and get ready for Diwali. So I hope you have liked this video, and I hope this thing was very simple. A very happy Diwali again to all of you. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be you, be beautiful.